Hi guys, happy Monday. So today you get to start making your Google slide presentation for your research project. Last week you came up with your topic, you came up with 3 questions you want to answer, and you answered them throughout the week. So now you're ready to make your presentation. So I'm here on Google Classroom. So in Canvas, there's going to be a link that'll take you to Google Classroom right below these videos that you're going to watch, and then you're going to go to Google Classroom. So you'll go to Google Classroom and you'll see an assignment that will be something about your research project. So right here, this one is called Research Project Slide Template. So you'll click on that. And mine looks a tiny bit different because I'm a teacher. And yours will kind of like this. You'll click on it. Once you click on it, it'll open up a slide presentation for you. It'll make your own copy for you, and you'll have your name up here in the title. It'll automatically do that for you. So you'll see here that we have a template for you to use to put the information from your research into this presentation. This is a template, so we want you to fill it around with it and make it your own, but this is something that for you to go off of so you don't like maybe forget some things that you would want to put into your presentation so you can get full points. So obviously you have a title slide, then you have a slide about your first question, information you got for that, your second question, your third question, and then here you're going to create a timeline, and you'll get some more information about that in a little bit. I think in a video that Miss Young is making. And then this is kind of like, why did you choose this topic? Why is this topic important? Something like this. So what? And then an interesting fact you learned. Notice that every slide has at least one picture that you need to include. And Miss Walling's going to show you how to include a picture in your slide, in your slideshow. Okay, so you come here, you inputted your information from your research. Hopefully you still have your notes that you kept, and in just a minute I'll show you how to go to what you put in for your answer onto Canvas, because maybe you didn't memorize it, probably not. So I'll show you how to go back and look at what you wrote from before. I would recommend that after you put in your information, then you go and see if you want to fiddle around with the themes to change like your fonts or the colors, things like that. I think it's most important to get the information first and then change the appearance of everything. So if you come over here, and I clicked theme already when I got to this point, it kind of is cool because you can change the theme of your presentation. There's a lot of cool ones to choose from. If you click in any of the text boxes, then you can come up here and choose a font that you might like or choose a size. If you click on that little 3 dots, it gives you more options to fiddle around with how you want your words to look. And you may find that you might want another slide to put in more information or something like that. If you ever want to put in a new slide, you click this little plus button. The new slide will insert wherever you have clicked. So I'm clicked on my second slide right here. So the new slide is going to come in right after the second, like that. I think that you can, that's where you can change the layout. So let's talk about that in a minute. If you wanted one at the end, then make sure you're clicked at the end slide, then click a plus sign to add an end slide at the end. Okay, yeah, layout right here. So there's different layouts of slides that you can choose from. This is like a title slide that you can see on the first one. Some of them have like 2 text boxes that you could choose from, which is maybe nice if you want to put like information in the first box and then a picture in the second box. Could be nice, something like that. Sometimes if you just wanted like a picture on your slide, you could choose like the caption where you could add a caption and just have your picture up here. That's up to you, and that's just if you want to fiddle around with it, make it your own. This is kind of your time to make it creative, make it look nice, have fun with it. Yeah, okay. Let me show you now. This is how, if you want to go back to what you wrote for your research question in Canvas on your assignment, you can go back and look what you wrote and you can copy and paste it in. So I'm in here and I am in a student view. So this is how it looks like for you guys. So you'll go down to your daily assignments, and I would go down to the days that you did the assignments. So Monday of last week, you chose your topic. Tuesday, you wrote your 3 questions, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is when you answered each of the 3 questions. So let's say you wanted to go back and see what you wrote for research question number 1. You would go to Wednesday and then go and click on the assignment from Language Arts, research question number 1. Right here, and then you'll see that you did submit it. Good. And when you click on submission details, it will pull up what you typed from before. And so from there, you can highlight it. So highlight that. And then if you click Control C or Command C, that'll copy it on your keyboard. You also can tap with 2 fingers, or if you're using a mouse, right click and click copy like that. Then you'll come in and you can click paste. Gotta make sure you can type. And so again, you'll either tap with 2 fingers if you're using a laptop, or right click if you're using a mouse. You'll click paste like that. You could have done that as well using your keyboard, pressing Command V or Control V. So now you have information here. I would still recommend proofreading, making sure you liked what you wrote, adding more if you need to, especially if maybe your teacher gave you some feedback so you can fix that for your presentation. Like that. So that's how you can go back and copy and paste what you wrote from before. Yeah, so hope you guys have fun. Hope you guys ask your teachers if you have more questions. See you guys.